What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. We are back on the TTR, the King Ripper. It's been way too long since we took this thing out, so we're just gonna hit a nice adventure. Maybe we'll hit the dunes, maybe we'll hit some other stuff, maybe even the tracks, who knows. But yeah, we're gonna have a fun adventure, and if you like the video, likes, comments, and subs are greatly appreciated. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. That was a foot down though, so that don't count. There we go. Nice foot up. Oh, the old folks always get mad. So we don't want to go past them. I think first off we're gonna head to the dunes. So let's get our wheelies back, because I haven't wheelied this thing in forever. To get a little clutch work in on the next one. Right. Let's try first gear. No, I can't do that. Try second gear with some clutch work on her. Well, I hit more than one, but there's only one that really did anything. Like every clutch hit on that one, it was pretty much just like when I was letting off the gas anyway. And I was, I don't know. The only way to get better at them now is to keep doing it. Leaning too much. We're lugging her. Fun one. Kept it going. Alright, we gotta be quiet here. Nice and sneaky like. Still steal the FedEx truck. That'd be fun. As long as there's no pedestrians, we're good. Roll right on down. On the road again. Whoa. Oh. That's not a good sign. Workers are never a good sign. So we probably shouldn't come back this way. We gotta go back a different way. And there's a car. Oh, everyone's here today. Shoot. I definitely don't want to go in that way. With all the cars. Guess we gotta do a little bit of main road shenanigans. Existence, but this ride's going pretty chill. I got a bad feeling someone's about to show up on
me. A few moments later.
I don't know what that is. We are going this way. There's a cop doing traffic put you here. You're coming home with me. Just leaving him here. Left him here to rot. Down the curve. Ah ha ha, like that. Ooh, this is a nice tidy spot. Oh dude, you're already falling out. Doors locked. Nah, we don't want to be messing with that because then they will pop out. Let's check the door before we head out of here. I mean, it's bolted shut. They don't want no one going in. Let's hit some circles. Well, that was a tight circle. I don't know what I'm saying. It's over yonder. Someone did see us over there. He probably don't care, but we've already stayed our welcome here. my spots are blocked off. You saw, I don't know if you could see, but there was a cop blocking the road there. And I don't think he would have been too happy with me trying to go past them.